I guess that cybersecurity management comes in twofold. I would say there is a first part during the product development and another part when the product is released and on the field. What is your takeaway on that? How do you specifically manage cybersecurity when the device is in operation?
Well, that's the role of our customer, but we're giving them additional tools. As I said, we're not just the development arm now. Qt is touching all the way from the fuzzy front end of design to development to QA testing and then execution. So we have something called Qt Insights that can be used in post-market, surveillance that, doing clinical trials, as is very focused, right? It's this type of a person in this age group with this ailment. But then when it's out in the field, it can be used ubiquitously across many different types of patients. So how do you know how that user experience is being used? Well, we have a product called Qt Insights that can tell you that. So, our customers can use that and track how their device, the responsibility is on them because it's their product, but we're able to support that.
Yeah, so Roger, as you mentioned, it's up to the device maker to manage this cybersecurity from a maintenance point of view. But we know that maintenance can be a hassle. Nobody wants to do maintenance. It's not very valuable. It's not core business. At Witekio, we address that by providing long-term cybersecurity maintenance, especially on operating system like Linux or Zephyr for the MCUs. And it comes with a daily review of new vulnerabilities that can impact the product, analyzing those vulnerabilities, fixing, updating the system, the Linux, the kernel, so that the device maker can really focus on what brings value in their product.
Yeah, and that's why we value the relationships we have and the partnerships we have with someone like Witekio, because what you're describing is outside of our purview, right? We're on the Qt stuff and the Qt development and what's with Qt. You're more holistic to the device, and that's why we value these types of partnerships. We can give an end-to-end, all-encompassing solution to them.